Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I almost forgot that I shot this video since January this year. I just saw it now as I was going through my phone, so I decided to edit it and share it with you guys. It's all about how to make moimoi, so stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. I just finished washing the beans, so I go on and start blending it. I'll be blending it with some red paprika to add some color to it, and I'll also be adding some pink onion. You can go on and use white onion. I will be adding some water into the beans, which will enable it to blend into a smooth paste. I want to use this medium to thank you for stopping by to watch my video. You guys are so wonderful. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and enable notification so that you will be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my old subscribers, I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you and may God bless you. So once I'm done blending the beans, I will go on and start seasoning it. So the first thing I will be doing is to pour in some water into the pot, which I will be using to cook the beans, and I'll be placing some rack into it because I don't want to put it directly inside the pot. If you don't have this type of rack, you can go on and put some leaf inside your pot first before putting your beans. So meanwhile, I will start seasoning the beans. The first thing I will be adding is this ginger garlic paste. You guys remember this ginger garlic paste I made during Christmas, which I used as Christmas gift to some friends, and the link will be in the description box. If you've not checked it out, you can go ahead and check it out. So the next thing I will be adding is this mackerel fish in tomato sauce. You can use this to eat bread or rice, and it tastes exactly like fish stew. And I'll be using 2 cans of it, but this is optional. If you don't have this type of mackerel in tomato sauce, you can use only mackerel fish. You can just break in some mackerel fish into your moimoi. You can as well use egg to cook your moimoi, or you can skip it entirely, okay? You can as well use sardine, which I will be adding as well. I love incorporating a lot of proteins in my moimoi or okpa, so I'll be adding some sardine into it as well. And you guys, this sardine and the mackerel that I added will take this moimoi to another level. Please thumb up this video if you have not done that, okay? And remember, you can share out the video. Everything in YT is free. Sharing out the video, thumbing up the video, and commenting. Even subscribing is free. So I go on and throw in some vegetable oil. I will be adding some salt to taste. And I will give this a stir. So the next thing I will be adding now is my seasoning powder. You can go ahead and use any seasoning cube or any bouillon of your choice. So after that, I will give it a stir and I will check if the taste is okay. If it's not okay, you might add some salt to it, or you can add another bouillon to your taste. But I tested and everything is okay. So this is time to start tying up the moimoi. So guys, before you start tying your moimoi, you have to first remove the first layer of this stick in the middle of this fruit leaf. Otherwise, you cannot bend the leaf easily. So after that, you can now start tying your moimoi. And this is how to tie your moimoi using this fruit leaf. Just follow closely in what I'm doing. You can be able to do yours, okay? This is not hard at all. And remember, there is always room for mistake. If it's your first time, you can always make mistake and correct it. As time goes on, you will be used to it. Hope you can see clearly what I'm doing. Let me come closer and redo it. So once you are done rolling the leaf and you bend it under, then you pour in your moimoi from one end, that's from the top, and after that you close it gently. I don't know how to explain how you close it, but if you look at what I'm doing, you will be able to do yours, okay? And this is it. I will just put it inside my pot, and I will continue doing this till I finish tying up the moimoi. Okay, let me tie one more for people that came late, or for some people that are busy doing another thing while watching the video. You can leave whatever you are doing and look now. I will first take out the first layer of this stick. Then the next thing is to roll out the leaf like so. Then bend it to one direction, and from the up you put your moimoi, or you pour your moimoi. Then after pouring your moimoi, you cover it like so, and then you put it inside your pot. Just have to be gentle, okay? Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, remember to thumb up this video. Now I'm done tying up the moimoi, so I will cover my pot and start cooking this for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And if you don't have the leaf, I got your back. You can use any plate you have in your house. You can use foil paper to tie up your moimoi. So I'll be cooking the remaining one with the plate, as you can see, and I'll be topping up the water as I go. After 20 minutes, I topped up the water, and now is almost 1 hour. So I'll be checking out the moimoi, and the moimoi is ready. I'll be turning off the heat and I will dish it out. You can enjoy this moimoi with your garri, with your tea, with your pap, with your coke. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please come and join me. Let's eat this moimoi together. So let's open this one and see the inside. Just negodi, just take a look, just negodi, guys. Is this moimoi not calling your name? Just say the truth. Is this not calling your name? Please remember to subscribe, share out this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Till I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye, and see you in my next video. God bless you.